So hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and here we have come with a new autumn update or Clash of Win update which will come in next few days. So here are the basic updates about troops and spells, which also we can call as quality life increases or the balancing updates. Here the main update is about wall breaker. Now their wall breaker can have a special ability that it will deal a death damage upon the it's dead, like same like that super wall breaker, and it is multiplied by 40. Here you can see the dead damage caused by the wall breaker. It is nearly half. For the higher levels it is nearly half of the its original damage, but for the lower levels it will be same as that of its original damage. So it will never affect at the lower town halls. Somewhat it may affect, but here is new special ability that it can jump over the wall and using the jump spell and break the inner walls. Earlier what was happening, if you drop a jump spell then it would break the wall which is affected by the jump spell, but now its AI has been improved and now it has a special AI that it will target only one segment of wall which it can break. Earlier what was happening, that it was targeting multiple segments, due to which it was unable to break the walls, but now it will be improved and that will not happen. Here you can see that you will need at least 6 wall breakers to break any level of wall at any town hall, considering that you have the maximum wall breaker at your maximum laboratory level. So that will be consideration. Here next update is about electro dragon. Here is the next update, that if electro dragon is placed, then if two buildings are at the same distance from the electro dragon, then it will target the building which have highest hit points. That was some kind of update. But here are the two minor updates, that is siege barrack. Earlier 12 wizards were coming out, now only 11. That was a minor update. Here super archer also, some kind of bug fixing which we will call. If here in super archer, if the difference between her arrow and the building was 0.1 tiles, then that building also she will not miss and she will kill that or destroy that building. Now inferno tower, inferno dragon, here is new update. Inferno dragon that will do the damage what we will call a chalta firta inferno, what that kind only. It's somewhat different, but here the beam damage of the infant dragon will not ever increase if it's only flying. It will increase gradually as it will attack on the building which have higher hit points, but now the increased time has been reduced so that it can increase gradually at lower time. Then here general flying units AI has been changed, that is, if you might have seen that there was a dragon, and if it is traveling towards a building and suddenly from middle only somewhere, if a Tesla bonds, then it will attack the Tesla, but now its AI has been reduced, changed, and it will attack the same building instead of targeting that Tesla, and it will ignore that Tesla completely. That's some kind of bad thing, I think, because whenever it is attacking on that building, Tesla will attack it and it may get killed. So that might be somewhat not that much helpful. And another minor is skeleton spell, only one skeleton extra. That is nothing. And air defense at the lower town hall, like town hall 8, at town hall 8 at level at town hall 10 level 8 air defenses AI HP has been increased by 10, so that it can withstand with that lightning spell strike. Then here the major update is about the dark troops. Here dark troops, you can see that here upgrade time and cost of the dark troops and be reduced, but it will be only effective for town hall 11 and less, because here just you can see that the town hall 12 and 13, here the cost is same as earlier and time is also same as earlier, but guys, here for town hall 11 and below, the cost has been reduced to nearly half, because here you can see that minions for that level 30, level 3, you can see that cost has been reduced from 20,000 to 15,000. Level 6 cost has been reduced from 50,000 to 40,000. For Hog Rider also you can see that for level 7 cost has been reduced from 1,50,000 to 1 lakh. Yes, same as in the case of Valkyrie, same as in the case of Golem, and also which baller, everything. But for the higher town halls, you can see that for Golem, for level 4, the cost is as 2 lakh, 2 lakhs, same cost only, and for level 5, it is 2,80,000, 2,80,000, as same as earlier, and days also 60. So these are some minor updates. You can also check in the news section of the COC where you can see the updates. And here are some kind of super troops are coming. That's what in the Japanese streaming they have might have given some sneak peek that a super Valkyrie is coming, and everyone knows that the super Valkyrie carries a race spell upon her, and that race spell will deploy when she dies. That's some kind of that raised a barbarian, same. And here we will wind up our video with one our last CWL attack. Here our CWL going on and we are not attacking for the last, we are at the last position, and here we have lost our 5 wars. This is 6. We are going to lose this also and next war also, because no one is attacking, only 1 2 3 players are attacking here. That's not kind of fair, guys. And here mismatching is not there, because here you can see that. And here we are going to attack on a base number 4. It's some kind of rushed base. I have seen it and I have planned it according to me. So here I will explain you about the planning. So here in the planning, we will drop from here, we will draw, and here we will draw planning with our Electro Dragon, and we are basically using our Electro Dragon strategy. Here we are taken 7 Electro Dragon, 7 loons, and in CC we have taken 1 Electro, 2 loons, and some rest spell, free spell, and heal spell. Why I don't know, but I have taken that heal spell. And here we will go, here we will Electro Dragon funneling. Then here it will come with our all Electro Dragons and loons, here wardens, and we will we will send our battle blame from here only. Here from the backside of the Electro Dragon we will send here, and here we will be drop one rage spell. Due to rage spell, I hope we will get all this section. I hope that we will get, because I am not damn sure that we will get, and we will preserve our queen for the whole of the attack, and we may drop it somewhat here, because here defenses are low, or if some preserves we may drop it here. But since here queen and king both are there, it is dangerous, so we may drop it here or here. So let's see in attack. And here you can see that is successful. I think it may consist of a dragon and a loon. So let's get started. So here we will do our funneling. Here 1 Electro Dragon, here 1 Electro Dragon, then here loon, here loon. I hope seeking air mines will be detected. No, there are Teslas in between. This side Tesla farm is there. I think we need to freeze it. It's not going to help, guys. Gone. Guys, it have gone completely. We will do here our Electro Dragons, and here we will say Battle Beam. Here we go with our warden, and here our comes first rage. I think we need to freeze our we need to freeze that eagle artillery. So here it will come, here our second rage, and here is we have to freeze again, because this tower, and guys, it's somewhat what we are doing. We can't understand, we are not understanding what we have done, what we are doing here. That single target info targeted our Electro Dragon, I think, so we have to freeze there also. And here we may go with 2-star attack with a mediocre percentage, maybe. I am not sure about that. Where we have got the second star, and it's a 2-star attack normal. You may have seen a lot of them, but it might have been better if this eagle artillery have been got destroyed. But guys, it was not possible here. So my queen is going to die now, and I am not hope for now much I will do here in battle. I can't let my queen go down, because I want to try the next attacks, not here but in multiplayer battles. So that's all today, guys, and thank you.